30mm. Oops. Might want to take that 10mm bolt out on the wheel speed sensor. Seems kind of tight. Yeah, this bolt right here. Well, this front axle can be a real pain in the butt. Sometimes they don't like to come out. The biggest reason why they're so hard to pop is because you need a pry bar to take it out, but if you just do one pry bar, you're actually prying on one side and you're tipping it sideways. So what you want to do is get two pry bars, put one on each side, and get it to pull out straight. If you can get it to pull out straight out, they come out a lot easier than just trying to do one side. You could be here all day long and not get it off like that. Like that. You know, this one over here, you got a stupid little clippy thing you got to deal with. Usually you can get it out with a pair of pliers. You can see these two tabs right here. That tab and that tab. You got to squish them together. Try to get this thing off of here. There, I got it. See, you got to get that off, and then there's a bolt down here. Yeah, it's generally worthless, but you got to take that out. $14mm. These things can be really stuck too. But since I already had this out, it'll come right out for me. Yeah, they almost never come off that easy.